Super excited. Just got my monthly Tastebud subscription in the mail. Let's take a look at what comes with it. Each month, the subscription comes with 3 different seasoning packets, as well as an intro card that has at least 3 yummy recipes on it. Each recipe has step-by-step directions as well as ideas and swaps for your ingredients, and you'll have enough seasonings for 6 to 12 meals. There's also an exclusive online hub for subscribers where you can get more information about the seasonings, more recipes, and alternative uses to use them, as well as access to an entire community sharing what they made. So much comes in such a small package, and there's even more available online, making for endless cooking inspiration all month long with your Tastebuds subscription. Tastebuds is your answer to what's for dinner